These 7 drinks help to detox and cleanse your kidneys. The kidneys are vital organs responsible for filtering waste and toxins from blood. It helps to regulate fluid balance and maintain overall health. Hence, cleansing and detoxification processes are crucial for the kidneys' function optimally. Adding specific drinks into your daily routine is an effective way to promote a kidney health. But are you curious to know which drinks you should drink and how does it help you to maintain kidney health? That will be discussed in this video, so make sure to watch this video until the end to learn about beverages that can help detox and cleanse your kidneys. Let's start with the details. One of the most popular options is lemon water. It gained popularity for its potential benefits, including detoxifying the kidneys. Lemon water has diuretic properties, which can help increase urine production. It helps to flush out toxins and waste from the kidneys. Further, citric acid present in lemons helps to dissolve kidney stones and prevent the formation of new ones. Simply add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice to a glass of water and drink it. It can promote hydration and support kidney function. The next drink is cranberry juice. Cranberry is packed with antioxidants and phytonutrients. These ingredients help decrease inflammation in the body. The antioxidants in cranberry juice help to prevent bacteria from sticking to the walls of the urinary tract. This can reduce the risk of UTI infection. UTI can be harmful to the kidneys if left untreated. It contains a high level of vitamin C, which flush out toxins. So by incorporating cranberry juice into your daily routine, you can support your kidney health. Next, cucumber mixed with mint water. Cucumbers are naturally hydrating and contain compounds that can help reduce inflammation in the kidneys. It is a natural diuretic, which means it can help increase urine production. It promotes the flushing of toxins and waste from the kidneys. When combined with fresh mint leaves, these ingredients create a flavorful and rejuvenating drink that can support kidney function. The next drink is apple juice. It contains high water content which helps to flush out toxins from the kidneys. Apple juice is also rich in antioxidants such as vitamin C, which can help prevent oxidative stress in the kidneys. Further, apple juice contains compounds like malic acid, which may help to dissolve kidney stones. Next, beet juice. Beets contain nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide may help to improve blood flow to the kidneys and lower blood pressure. Good blood flow to the kidneys supports its ability to filter out waste and maintain optimal function. Further, nitric oxide in beet juice also helps to relax and dilate blood vessels. This reduces blood pressure and lowers the risk of kidney damage associated with hypertension. Next, green tea. It is known for its numerous health benefits, one of which includes detoxifying the kidneys. The antioxidants present in green tea may help protect your kidneys from damage. The catechins and EGCG found in green tea help protect the kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation. It helps to reduce toxins and harmful substances in the kidneys. Drinking unsweetened green tea prevents chronic kidney disease. Last but not least, drinking water. It's no surprise that water tops the list as the main component of the human body. If you do not drink enough water, it can lead to kidney stones, urinary tract infections, and kidney damage. So drinking an adequate amount of water is crucial for maintaining optimal kidney health. Water helps to dilute the concentration of minerals and salts in the urine. It will reduce the risk of crystallization and the formation of painful kidney stones. Drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, which maintains a proper fluid balance and optimizes kidney detox processes. These kidney-friendly drinks in your routine can improve kidney function and overall health. Now let me know in the comments if you enjoy any of these drinks regularly. If you like this information, please like and share this video. And if you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe to get more videos like this. Stay fit and thanks for watching.